Hello everyone, this is Group 13 and we are here to introduce you to our senior design project based out of knowledge retention. The team members for this project are Susan Bronikowski, Suraj Gupta, Ryan Kolo, Insung Park, Michelle Phillips, and Eric Wheatley.
Last semester, our project focused on improving knowledge retention using VSexPlate to augmented reality classes and AI technology. We created early versions of ChatGPT-powered chatbot that could provide hands-free real-time assistance through the classes. This chatbot was connected to large language models to help extract key information from technical documents, making it easier for technicians to find answers quickly. Our main goal was to improve the learning experience for technicians working with 3D printers like Prusa i3 MK3, Sowal SV04, etc. The VSix classes also helped users to see helpful information right in front of their eyes, which made training faster and more interactive. We spent a lot of time testing how well the VSix classes worked, especially for recording videos and pulling up information using ChatGPT. The test showed that while the classes worked well for recording, we had some trouble implementing ChatGPT within the classes. We also created training videos to help users understand how to use the classes and addressed issues like sound quality in noisy spaces. The biggest issue with the classes was their battery health and the loss of connection. The goal of the research last semester was to make training easier, shorten the learning curve for new workers, and ensure that the important knowledge from experienced employees is not lost.
We initially wanted to use the VSexPlate glasses due to their VR capabilities and ability to connect with Microsoft Teams. We are currently not using them due to hardware and software limitations, which make the VSexPlate glasses not as useful towards our goals as we initially thought they would be. We initially wanted to use a large language model, such as W Matrix, to help sort words that we ended up finding throughout our text and transcripts that we would end up using, and then to help diagnose problems better. We ended up not using this due to it not being able to do what we initially envisioned and it not being compatible with our other software that we were using.
This was the object recognition code that was made over the summer, and it uses preset values to detect as well as recognize different objects presented in our camera view, indicated by a green box, and the percent accuracy of what that object is, such as it says it's 70% sure I'm a person, which is true. The code can also be changed to file to play an uploaded file, like so.
And now that the printer has warmed up or finished preheating, we'll then go through a series of tests to make sure everything is properly leveled. And then, once those are done, it will start printing.
We tried to implement this into the glasses so that a user has an idea of what they were interacting with, but it proved to be a bit difficult to get on the glasses.
This code works by a 3-step process. One, once you start running the program, it's listening for a specific keyword, and that keyword is file. Once it hears that keyword, it'll then ask and get ready for another key phrase or a specific file you're trying to open. One example is you could do test 5 or test 1 or text 6. It'll open them up and it'll show you what it is in a whole other application. You then also have the option to exit by saying the word exit, and then it'll completely stop running the program, and then you can start from fresh by clicking the start button again or run program.
Hi, my name is Insung. In this demo, I'm going to show how our knowledge retention system works. So, I do not have any background knowledge or experience of 3D printers, and I utilize our knowledge retention system to 3D print a model. As you can see, I was sharing a real-time video with my teammates using my VSexPlate, and I used our trained AI model to ask questions about the 3D printer that I used. At the end, even though I don't know anything about 3D printers, I was able to print out a small model without any issues.